because I'm going to be right here, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Hey everyone, Q Manning here, General Manager and Founder of Rocksauce Studios. Today on Q and Answers, I'm here to help you answer a question. How do I choose between a design sprint and an innovation workshop? A design sprint is a structured 5-day event, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, where you concept, plan, prototype, and then test an actual solution. An innovation workshop is a structured brainstorming session on steroids. It's where you bring in a facilitator who will keep people on task with all the different voices you have in the room. The goal is to make sure you're solving the right piece of the problem with the right solution, and at the end of the day, you hopefully have a direction to move forward. So that begs the question, how do you choose between an innovation workshop and a design sprint? Well, here at Rocksauce, what we do is work with our customers to find out which stage of the problem they're currently at and what stage of the solution they're currently in. We recommend choosing an innovation workshop if you don't really know what the exact problem is or you're sort of uncertain about what the solution could be in the first place. As an example, if we're having people not show up for work or people are just generally grumpy, I just don't feel like it. Well, that's a big issue. We don't know why that's happening. That's where an innovation workshop comes in perfectly. Then you should hopefully have a direction for a solution, which then leads into the design sprint. You're going to choose a design sprint on a few different situations. If you already have a product and you just want to test out maybe a new interface or maybe a new feature you want to roll out, maybe if you already know what the problem you're trying to solve is and you just want to see what the right approach is going to be. Then rolling into quick prototyping and then testing with users can validate, okay, this feature is great, we should put this into our product, or nope, big piece of poop feature, nobody wants this. Let me let you in on a little secret. You're thinking about the user and what the right thing to build is, that puts you way ahead of the game. The last thing you want to do is fumble around trying to figure out what it is you want to build, right? I'm going to launch it, be a millionaire. That doesn't happen. How do you get started with doing this? Well, we'd recommend giving us a call or shooting us an email. One of the two. Rocksauce does facilitate these types of things. We've been involved in countless design sprints, helping clients from big, huge construction companies all the way down to entrepreneurial projects, do innovation workshops as well as prototyping. We have built from start to finish, from concept to launch on the App Store. Some pretty major successful applications. Whether you're an enterprise company dealing with internal issues or you're an entrepreneur ready just to launch that product, or maybe you have an existing piece of software and for some reason your new features that your engineering team is rolling out just aren't working, we're here to help you kickstart that. We'll come in, diagnose the problem, help you figure out the right way forward, and then work with you to make something truly badass. I'm Q Manning, this has been Q and Answers, and I'll see you next time. Adios.